What's up, guys? I got another one for you guys. Here we go. 2002 Ford Ranger with the 2.3 liter. It was having rough idle on, let me see, rough idle. It was stalling and brought it in, and I noticed a leak, vacuum leak right away. So I smoke test the intake, and I saw smoke coming out of the intake manifold where it makes the head, and a couple vacuum lines. So let me show you. See, look, vacuum line broken. The one that went here is messed up. This one right here that had the clamp, this was where it was leaking. And then down here in the intake manifold was smoking. So I got to pull intake manifold, inspect all the vacuum lines in there, replace every line that needs to get replaced, and reseal it, put it back together, and call it a day. So that's what I'm working on today. And then I have this one lined up for later. This one right here. Full inspection, AC service, oil change. Think this thing might need a power steering pump. Got to check the brakes. Brakes are squealing on it. So there's another big job as well. So peace.